What's up and welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we got a 1964 Corvette. It's got some side pipes on it, a 350. No power steering on this one. It does run and drive good, needs some cosmetic stuff. Very little, mainly just gauges. Some of the gauges need to be replaced or hooked up, and we're gonna go over that all in this video. We do that on every car on the lot, point out all the flaws so you know exactly what you're getting before you get here. Check us out at maplemotors.com. I've got 100 detailed pictures of this ride. I have finance options, wheels, tires, parts, accessories, and yes, you can get financed on any car on the car lot. There's 3 companies to pick from on the website there. Be sure to check that out. I do a 2-part video. This one walks around, points out all the flaws on the outside, inside and underneath. And of course, the other video, we take it down the road. We're driving this car. Put you in the driver's seat. All right, we're gonna get started up here in the front. Any flaws I see, you're gonna know about it. I'm gonna go down the lower portion, come back to midsection, and hit the top section. Both sides of the car. I did pick up some dirt on the test drive. I'm sorry about that. I did come through this parking lot over here. It looked like a pipe exploded or something. The bumper is not brand new. It does have a little bit of pitting popping up around it. Coming down the lower portion of the car, you can see that water I picked up there. The side pipes are loud, they sound mean. I'm not seeing any bubbles, any rust. Coming down the midsection here, there is a body line, like a paint line. I don't know if y'all could see that in the video, but I did point it out for you. A little bit of oxidation popping up on the door handle. Mirrors look fairly new. You got a little bit of oxidation popping up on your vent window trim. It's normal for an old car like this. Couple little dings here and there on top of your trim. You can see pictures of the top on the website. I want you to check that out for sure. It's detailed photos of it up. Aluminum radiator on this one. We'll be trying the headlights out, see how they work. Make sure they don't need repair. Up here on the edge of this headlight, you got some bubbling popping up on top of the paint. Coming down this side of the car, doing the same thing, running down the lower portion. You got some light scratches there. Coming up over the fender well. The exhaust pipe covers have some light scratching as well. They're not in perfect shape. You have a chip back here that's been touched up. It's actually the first big chip I've seen on this car. There's a light scratch right here, or a crack in the paint. Do have a little bit of pitting on the door handle on this side as well. It is older. And same with that vent window. Trying to hit it just right where you can see the flaws better. Down the side of the car, there's a couple chips down here under the hood. Got some light scratches there on your trim. And right here. Head on to the back here. Sorry about my shadow. Just directly in the sun. I got a magnet tag that we put on all the cars for the test drives. It looks nice back here. Actually, the rear bumpers have been changed out at some point. They are nice and clean. Little spot there in the corner. All right, we've made it all the way around the outside of this car. We're gonna go ahead and jump on the interior, start it up, and check the undercarriage. Like I said, 350 under the hood. Solid motor. Just runs good. It's nice and quiet, except for the exhaust. It's very loud. Coming up on the door panel, you can see that the carpet at the bottom of the door panel is a bit sun faded. It's supposed to be black. Weather stripping feels good around the door. Checking the underside of the door panel. It's fiberglass anyway, so. Seats in great condition. I just have a bag sitting over here in the other seat, so I can make some videos for y'all. You can see back here, it's got a couple speakers. And you can see the top up, yes you can, on my website under detailed pictures. This one's going straight back in the warehouse, so all right. 4-speed, starts up nice and easy. Headlights. I'm just holding this switch, walk up to the front. Let's see, I can't even see them right now. I didn't hold it long enough, but they started coming up. Let me hold it a little bit longer. They come up slow. Needed to hold it a little bit longer to get the winky up. Coming back down with them. Came down pretty good, just a little slow. Got them all the way down. You gotta take your time with these old school ones. Go ahead, place your bets. Do you think the horn works on this car? Listen to the exhaust. Goodness. Of course, across the board here, I told you it needed some gauge work. The temperature gauge is not working. Your oil pressure is. Right around 40. Needs a tack. The tack's not coming up. The speedo was not working on the test drive. I believe the gas gauge was working. Let's see. Your clock's out. Your radio's out. Can hear the fan trying to kick on, but I can't feel it blowing out anywhere. And your horn is down here. The horn does work on this one. Power windows need work. It could be in the switch. It could be in the motor. I don't know. I just noticed when I went to roll them up, they wouldn't work, so that's gonna need to be addressed. Otherwise, don't drive this thing unless it's nice outside. Motor's nice and quiet. I'm getting ready to give you some undercarriage shots. You can see more detailed pictures at maplemotors.com of the undercarriage. Also on the test drive, I put a lit up light on the ground and a camera under the car and drive over it, give you a better idea. So check both of these videos out and all the detailed pictures if you're interested. We're gonna start up here in the front, give you some undercarriage shots all the way around the car, and jump back in for a test drive. Let's look. guys, I appreciate you watching. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I try to post videos every day. Now that we've got the lot paved and everything back, I'm gonna continue to do so. Try to always have y'all some content. If not, and I know that I'm skipping some days, I'll just flood you on a Monday or something with like 10 videos to keep y'all busy. I do appreciate y'all watching. It helps me out very much when y'all share this channel. I want to thank y'all for that as well. Getting ready to hit 200,000. Woo! Go ahead and set some new goals and keep these videos rolling for you. MapleMotors.com has financing, has shipping information, close to 100 detailed pictures. We update every Monday with new inventory. We just put 8 cars on yesterday, and I'll be out here videoing them for you. All right, guys, I'll see y'all later. Hope y'all have a good one. That test drive video is located the end of this screen, probably like the last 30 seconds or so. Go ahead and click on that. All right, guys, later.